In today's video, we are going to see the complete benefits of becoming a permanent resident of Canada. Let's go into the video. Becoming a permanent resident in Canada offers various benefits for you when compared to holding a work permit. Let's see some key differences and advantages of obtaining a PR status. Long-term residency. PR status allows you to live in Canada indefinitely, while when you are on a work permit, you have limited duration and you had to keep renewing your work permit. Work freedom. As a permanent resident of Canada, you have the freedom to work for any employer in Canada. Whereas when you are on work permit, then there are some limitations and you always have some restrictions and you can work only to a specific employer or a job. Access to social services. Permanent resident holders have access to Canada's healthcare system and other social services which are not available for the temporary work permit holders. Path to citizenship. PR status is a stepping stone to Canadian citizenship. After you meet the residency requirements, you can apply for the Canadian citizenship, which grants you additional rights such as the ability to vote in federal elections. Travel freedom. PRs can travel in and out of Canada more freely as they are not subject to the same entry and exit requirements as temporary workers. When you meet all the eligibility requirements, you can also apply for a Canadian passport. Protection under Canadian law. Permanent residents are protected under Canadian labor laws and have access to legal recourse in case of workplace issues or disputes, which may not be available to temporary foreign workers. Sponsor family members. The permanent resident holders can sponsor the eligible family members for permanent residency, allowing them to live and work in Canada as well. No need for renewals. When you obtain the PR status, then you don't need to keep renewing your status like how you do for your work permits, because you always maintain your status. Eligibility for government benefits. Permanent residents may be eligible for certain government benefits and financial assistance programs that are not available for temporary workers. Education benefits. Permanent resident holders often have access to subsidized educational opportunities, including lower tuition fees for post secondary education. Retirement benefits. Permanent residents can contribute to the Canadian Pension Plan and Old Age Security Program, making them eligible for retirement benefits upon reaching the appropriate age. Job market flexibility. PR status can provide greater job market flexibility as you are not limited to specific occupations or provinces, as is sometimes the case with work permits. It's important to note that the specific benefits and eligibility criteria for PR status can vary depending on the immigration program through which you obtain. For example, like express entry, provincial nominee program, family sponsorship, etc. Additionally, maintaining PR status may require meeting residency and other requirements. Before making a decision about whether to apply for PR or obtain a work permit in Canada, it's advisable to consult with an immigration expert or the official website of IRCC for the most up to date information and guidance on your specific circumstances. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.